we about to do, Ellen?
You're right in my eyeball. We're on the Niagara cruise or something. What is it called? Niagara Cruises? Niagara Falls,
Horn blower.
Canada.
I'm gonna go blow some horns and toot some hoots. Hold on, Ellen! Hang on! Hang on!
Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 7.
All right, we're going in. Ellen, what do you have to say? Any last words?
I hope I don't fall in.
All right, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Hoods up, hoods up. Very cute, very cute. Your hair's out. Oh, here we go. Going into the mist. Ah! Shit, that was intense. Oh my god. Holy shit, what do you think?
I feel like I got blasted in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 out of 5. We'd do it again.
But dude.